Hi everyone, today we're going to be starting our vocabulary project. This one is going to take a few days to complete, so we're only going to focus on the first part today, which is just getting our vocabulary words in here. So the purpose of this project is to have let me see if I can make this big for you, have a definition show up in the middle, and then when notice they're all floating around. When you find the correct word that goes with that definition, you'll click on it and it will tell you whether you're right or not. Oops, they're kind of hard to tap, but that one was wrong because I don't even have a definition there. So let's see where we're going to start. We're going to start with just adding our words. Those are the ones that are floating around. The word bug has already been done for you. So we'll say on start, switch to actor. Actor is the actual word that we have. In this case, it is bug. Um, and then we're going to randomly glide from, and these two numbers are given for you, but if you think about it, this is your x value, this is your y. X is larger than y, so we will use the bigger numbers for x and the smaller ones for y. Then, when the actor's clicked, if we say it correctly, then we're going to broadcast correct, switch to the star costume, wait a second, and then switch back to the word. Otherwise, that means if it's incorrect, you're going to say incorrect, switch to red X, wait, and then switch back. So this is the same code you're going to have for all of your words. Now, the part that is tricky is, like some of those where you need to type words, this does not work well in the current version of Tinker, so we want to go back to the classic mode. So make sure you do that before you do anything else. So sometimes it takes Cody here a little while to pull it up, and remember classic work looks a little bit different, but I'll be perfectly honest, it works so much better in classic. It's hard to change your words if you are not in classic mode. So we want to get back in classic mode. And once again, it is taking a little bit of time for him to load. That can happen from time to time. So you'll be using your vocabulary words that are from the presentation that is posted in Schoology, but we've been over these words numerous times. Bug is already done. In mine, I've already done algorithm, debug, loop. So let's add another. Well, this one might be done too. Conditional statement, digital citizenship, vulnerable. So what is another word we can use? Well, I'm going to click the settings button and I'm going to edit first my actor by clicking the paintbrush. That will bring up the screen and says type word here. Now, if you were in the new version of Tinker, it would not let you type there. So I'm going to do digital footprint. Sometimes your word will go off the little square area. That's okay, it comes back. Hit save. Now I have one that says digital footprint. You can see it right there. But that's not all I have to do. I also have to edit my star. And I'm going to type the same words. Digital footprint. Oops. And then also my red X. And type it again. So for every word, you have to do it 3 times. That's one of the reasons I've given you so many days to complete this project. Digital. After you have typed in your word 3 times, we're going to put your code together for this. Like I said, I gave you the code. You just need to put it together correctly. So on start, I want to switch to costume actor. And then forever, I want it to wander around. So I'm going to glide. My X is my bigger set of numbers. My y is my smaller set of numbers. Then I have when actor clicked, if, grab this. Now, this will need to be changed later, but we're not changing it now. It's after we get our stage set. So if background name equals, right now it says background name, we'll say correct. Then we will change to costume star because we give them a star when they get it right. Wait a second. Then change back to costume actor. Otherwise, if it's not correct, we're going to say incorrect. Switch to costume red X. Wait a second, and then switch to costume actor. Okay, that is one word. You have 10 words you have to do. I give you one, so you actually have 9 more to do. Today, we're just going to type in all of our words. That is it. You do not have all of these, by the way. You don't have algorithm, debug, loop, none of those. You just have bug on your version. That is it. Have a great day. We'll have another video showing you what to do next.